Welcome to IP Service, learn IT tips and troubleshooting. Today I'm showing how to check watch time on Facebook page and video inside explain. First of all, click Meta Business Suite on your Facebook page and left side click Insights. Now you can see a last week review, your result, total last view. You can see as a summary. Click all. Now you can see your conversation, reach follower in details, last 28 days, your video status, your recommendation, all about in see. Click result and last 28 days views, reach and interaction, link click, visits and followers, status, statistical graphs in details show. Click message, total message and reply details, and here you can click content section overview. You can see your 28 days views, reach, 3-second video views, 1 minute views, content interaction, and finally watch time. How many hour in your video see. In my time 10 hours 51 minutes total views, watch time. Now you can see also your latest video view is 28 days, last 28 days reels view, story view, post view and video view, all about are in one click. It actually called a summary view. You can see also your content wise view, reach and like, comment, share. Now we can see in last 90 days. Click overview. Now you can see my last 90 days video view, watch time 20 hours 47 minutes. It's 100% organic way to gain watch time. Your top content by views you can see in lower section. Thank you for watching IP Service. Like, comment, share and subscribe us.